Another day, another story. Exercise 1, Air Bike. Lie down on your back with your legs extended in front of you. Place your hands gently behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your shoulders off the ground, engaging your core. Now, bring your right elbow to meet your left knee, while simultaneously extending your right leg straight out. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Continue alternating sides in a pedaling motion, as if you were riding an imaginary bicycle. Exercise 2, Lying Leg Raises. Lie down on your back with your legs fully extended and your arms resting by your sides. Keeping your legs straight, engage your core and lift both legs off the ground until they are perpendicular to the floor. Slowly lower your legs back down to the starting position without touching the ground. Repeat this movement, focusing on keeping your lower back pressed into the floor and your abdominal muscles engaged throughout the exercise. Exercise 3, Flutter Kicks. Lie down on your back with your legs fully extended and your arms resting by your sides. Lift both legs slightly off the ground, keeping them straight and close together. Now, rapidly kick your legs up and down in a scissor-like motion, with small and quick movements. Keep your core engaged and your lower back pressed into the floor throughout the exercise. Exercise 4, Mountain Climber. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and bring your right knee towards your chest, then quickly switch and bring your left knee towards your chest while extending your right leg back. Continue alternating the movements as if you were climbing a mountain, keeping a steady pace and maintaining a strong plank position throughout. Exercise 5, Reverse Crunch. Lie down on your back with your legs bent and your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands by your sides or underneath your glutes for support. Engage your core and lift your hips off the ground, bringing your knees towards your chest. Slowly lower your hips back down to the starting position without touching the ground. Repeat this movement, focusing on using your abdominal muscles to initiate the lift and control the descent. Exercise 6, Twisting Crunch. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands gently behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your shoulders off the ground, engaging your core. As you crunch upward, twist your torso to bring your right elbow towards your left knee. Lower your torso back down and repeat on the other side, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee. Continue alternating sides, engaging your oblique muscles with each twist. Exercise 7, Cocoons. Lie down on your back with your legs fully extended and your arms extended overhead. Simultaneously lift your upper body and your legs off the ground, reaching your arms towards your toes as if you were trying to touch them. Engage your core and curl into a tight ball, bringing your knees towards your chest and wrapping your arms around your shins. Slowly extend your body back out, reaching your arms overhead and your legs towards the ground without touching it. Repeat this movement, focusing on controlled and fluid motions. Exercise 8, Plank. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and hold this position, making sure to keep your back flat and your glutes engaged. Keep your neck neutral and your gaze towards the ground. Start with holding for 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration as you build strength. Remember to warm up before starting these exercises and listen to your body. If you experience any pain or discomfort, it's best to consult with a fitness professional.